Here we are at the 100th Royal Welsh Show. Got the tractors, some classic old tractors here, various makes and models. Nuffield, Leyland, Ford, David Brown, McCormack International, and a few others probably here. Now, what I'd like to just have a quick look at is some of the artifacts at the back here. Got the Austin A60 pickup there, late 60s, and some old milk churns here at the Royal Welsh Show. Yeah. Any guesses for what this was used for? We know what those milk churns there. Probably an old milking machine there. Wallace Castle Douglas milk machine, there we are. Pembrokeshire, restoration completed in 1986, purchased in 1985. The Royal Welsh Show with the Austin A60 pickup there. And the lovely array of tractors here. Some do need some restoration. Various models here. And sizes here at the Royal Welsh. Old roller there. A few Fergusons here as well. The 35X there. 165, 135, 35X, and the TE20. Started all just after the war there.